Welcome, John Circuit Official, and today we're going to do Touch and Teach Woodbook audio test. For those who don't know how to access it, check back at the Dog Mix Stuff and Test Mode that I did last month ago, and that'll provide you the steps on how to answer the test mode. But sometimes the same steps, but the graphics look different. So, hope guys you'll enjoy.
Hi, let's have fun with words. Hi, let's learn about words. Let's have fun with letters. Let's learn about letters. Are you ready to explore words? Are you ready to explore letters? Let's listen to some music. Hi, let's search and discover. Touch a word. Touch the blue sofa. Touch the cozy sofa. Touch the bright lamp. Touch one lamp. Touch the pretty vase. Touch the empty vase. Touch the cozy quilt. Touch the warm quilt. Touch the soft rug. Touch the striped rug. Touch the brown chair. Touch the wooden chair. Touch the fabric curtains. Touch the soft curtains. Touch the round clock. Touch the ticking clock. Touch the soapy sink. Touch the wet sink. Touch the smelly trash can. Touch the heavy trash can. Touch the long broom. Touch the sweeping broom. Touch the metal pot. Touch the orange pot. Touch the yellow plate. Touch the hard plate. Touch the pointy fork. Touch the small fork. Touch the small spoon. Touch the green spoon. Touch the long telescope. Touch the yellow telescope. Touch the fun bowling set. Touch the colorful bowling set. Touch the colorful xylophone. Touch the loud xylophone. Touch the loud drum. Touch the musical drum. Touch the picture puzzle. Touch the awesome puzzle. Touch the round yo-yo. Touch the pink yo-yo. Touch the spinning top. Touch one top. Touch the colorful crayons. Touch 5 crayons. Touch the pretty doll. Touch the smiling doll. Touch the green dinosaur. Touch the roaring dinosaur. Touch the wooden rocking horse. Touch the brown rocking horse. Touch the building blocks. Touch the colorful blocks. Touch the rolling truck. Touch the big truck. Touch the fast rocket. Touch the flying rocket. Touch the long train. Touch the moving train. Touch the slippery raincoat. Touch the yellow raincoat. Touch the warm scarf. Touch the striped scarf. Touch the cozy jacket. Touch the warm jacket. Touch a pair of boots. Touch the warm boots. Touch 2 shoes. Touch a pair of shoes. Touch the soft t-shirt. Touch the white t-shirt. Touch a pair of pants. Touch the long pants. Touch the warm hat. Touch the woolly hat. Touch the checkered tie. Touch the silky tie. Touch the striped skirt. Touch the pretty skirt. Touch a pair of socks. Touch the cozy socks. Touch the pretty dress. Touch the polka-dotted dress. Touch the warm gloves. Touch 2 gloves. Touch the plaid shorts. Touch a pair of shorts. Touch the cozy sweater. Touch the blue sweater. Touch the long overalls. Touch the denim overalls. Touch the delicious cheese. Touch the yellow cheese. Touch the soft bread. Touch the yummy bread. Touch the cold milk. Touch the white milk. Touch the sweet juice. Touch the nutritious juice. Touch the creamy yogurt. Touch the delicious yogurt. Touch the small strawberry. Touch the sweet strawberry. Touch the hard nuts. Touch the small nuts. Touch the big watermelon. Touch the juicy watermelon. Touch the orange carrot. Touch the crunchy carrot. Touch the sweet corn. Touch an ear of corn. Touch the green broccoli. Touch the nutritious broccoli. Touch the purple grapes. Touch the juicy grapes. Touch one banana. Touch the yummy banana. Touch the orange orange tunnel. Touch the dark tunnel. Touch the helpful ladder. Touch the sturdy ladder. Touch the fun teeter-totter. Touch the moving teeter-totter. Touch the green grass. Touch the fresh grass. Touch the long jump rope. Touch the skinny jump rope. Touch the fun sandbox. Touch the awesome sandbox. Touch the black and red ladybug. Touch the tiny ladybug. Touch the round ball. Touch the bouncy ball. Touch the colorful kite. Touch the flying kite. Touch the large fountain. Touch the wet fountain. Touch the moving swing. Touch the fun swing. Touch the slippery slide. Touch the fast slide. Touch the pretty butterfly. Touch the flying butterfly. Touch the purple flowers. Touch the pretty flowers. Touch the tall tree. Touch the shady tree. Touch the wooden bench. Touch the hard bench. Touch the skinny snake. Touch the slithering snake. Touch the hairy yak. Touch the horned yak. Touch the tall giraffe. Touch the spotted giraffe. Touch the walking turtle. Touch the slow turtle. Touch the striped tiger. Touch the brave tiger. Touch the swinging monkey. Touch the playful monkey. Touch the furry fox. Touch the sly fox. Touch the furry panda. Touch the black and white panda. Touch the walking camel. Touch the humped camel. Touch the brown kangaroo. Touch the hopping kangaroo. Touch the striped zebra. Touch the black and white zebra. Touch the brave lion. Touch the loud lion. Touch the waddling penguin. Touch the swimming penguin. Touch the hot oven. Touch the baking oven. Touch the red unicycle. Touch the fun unicycle. Touch the cold ice cream. Touch the yummy ice cream. Touch the nutritious apple. Touch the red apple. Touch the round orange. Touch the juicy orange. Touch the gray elephant. Touch the large elephant. Touch the swimming alligator. Touch the scaly alligator. Touch the sleeping owl. Touch the feathered owl. Open your book to start. Sofa begins with the letter S. Lamp begins with the letter L. Vase begins with the letter V. Quilt begins with the letter Q. Rug begins with the letter R. Chair begins with the letter C. Clock begins with the letter C. Oven begins with the letter O. Sink begins with the letter S. Trash can begins with the letter T. Broom begins with the letter B. Pot begins with the letter P. Plate begins with the letter P. Fork begins with the letter F. Spoon begins with the letter S. Telescope begins with the letter T. Unicycle begins with the letter U. Bowling set begins with the letter B. Xylophone begins with the letter X. Drum begins with the letter D. Puzzle begins with the letter P. Yo-yo begins with the letter Y. Top begins with the letter T. Doll begins with the letter D. Dinosaur begins with the letter D. Rocking horse begins with the letter R. Truck begins with the letter T. Rocket begins with the letter R. Train begins with the letter T. Raincoat begins with the letter R. Scarf begins with the letter S. Jacket begins with the letter J. T-shirt begins with the letter T. Hat begins with the letter H. Tie begins with the letter T. Skirt begins with the letter S. Dress begins with the letter D. Sweater begins with the letter S. Bread begins with the letter B. Milk begins with the letter M. Juice begins with the letter J. Yogurt begins with the letter Y. Ice cream begins with the letter I. Strawberry begins with the letter S. Watermelon begins with the letter W. Carrot begins with the letter C. Corn begins with the letter C. Broccoli begins with the letter B. Banana begins with the letter B. Apple begins with the letter A. Orange begins with the letter O. Tunnel begins with the letter T. Ladder begins with the letter L. Teeter-totter begins with the letter T.